we make an electric scooter which sounds like instrument which use only one motor, and we have to do a drum machine, and we decide to use bottles with water which these kinds heating with screws. Yes, the cans are made from carton with hot glue outside, and Paul was the brain of the machine, because he think about the motors and how it's work and everything. We with Asia and Kinga made the colors and everything else. In the end, it looks pretty and works, and we're happy about this.